The calendar feature in Schoology is going to be available to both you and your students, and it's going to be a really important organizational element for you to use, as it's going to help keep events and due dates across different courses and groups easily accessible. So when you're in Schoology, there are going to be a couple of different ways that you can access your calendar. When you are on the home page, you can scroll down on the right-hand side here and you'll see this upcoming feed, and there will be a calendar link in here. When you click on this calendar link, it's going to bring you to your digital view of the calendar, or you can click on the icon from the top bar that's in all of your Schoology pages. Once you've gotten to your calendar view, you are going to see that you're going to have different entries that are there. These entries are going to be broken up by different courses that you might be a part of or different groups. So for instance, here you're going to see that there is an assignment for my English 10 class. Down here, there's going to be a discussion posted for my 4th grade class. And even further down, there's going to be an event posted that I did as a reminder for a project that might be due. So you might have a lot of different entries on your calendar, and one nice feature is that you have the ability to filter this out. So when you come up to the top bar, you might see the number of calendars that are showing out of all of the calendars that you have. So by default, every group or every course that you're a part of is going to have a calendar generated. When you click on this drop down, this is going to let you toggle on and off the different views that you would like to have. So this will just help you filter things out to make it easier to see. Right next to the name of each of the calendars, you're going to have a little color block where you can go in and you can change the color, and this might help you visually organize your classes. You're going to notice by default at the top of your calendar list is going to be a Me calendar. And this calendar by default is always going to be in blue. This Me calendar is going to be your personalized calendar that's going to show all of the events that you are creating. You can use this calendar as a way that you could put in personal entries for yourself or as reminders for yourself. So when you go into your calendar, you could pick a date and look for the plus sign. And when you click on that plus sign, you would have a create event box pop up where you can put in a reminder for yourself. You could put in a little description for yourself, and down at the bottom you are going to see that this is going to be published to your Me calendar. So this is going to be just something that you see. You can add any files in there. You could attach any links that you might need to use along the way. And once you hit the Create button, you're going to see that you have a private personal event created for yourself. You can come back up and you can toggle on and off any of these buttons that you might like to see the calendars for. Another way that you can access your calendars is right from within a course. So if you are in one of your courses, on the right-hand side, you're going to see your upcoming feed and a little icon of the calendar. When you click on the calendar from inside a course, it's going to open up the calendar specifically with the entries from that course. So you're not going to get all of your assignments from the different courses and groups that you're in. You're able to click on any one of these entries and it will open up a box that shows you the description, and you can come right in here either to view or edit the item as you need. In the next video, I will show you a few different ways which you can add events and assignments to calendars within the Schoology platform.